Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a family recipe called Bora or egg pakora. It can be served as a snack or side dish along with rice and dal. It's a very easy recipe yet very yummy. If you like this recipe, then please click like, subscribe and share your comment below. The ingredients we need are chopped onion 1/3 cup, grinded ginger and garlic 1 teaspoon each, finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro 1/8 cup, chopped chilli 3, eggs 2, besan or gram flour 1/2 cup, salt to taste, baking powder a pinch, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon, nigella seeds or kalo jeera 1/2 teaspoon, cumin or jeera 1/2 teaspoon, carom seeds or joan 1/2 teaspoon, mustard oil 4 tablespoon used for traditional aroma and flavor, sunflower oil 6 tablespoon. To make Bora, first we have to make hard-boiled eggs. For that, boil 2 eggs in about 4 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high heat. Once cracks start developing on the eggs, take them off the pan, cool them down and peel off the skin and keep aside. To make egg masala, add the garlic about a 1/2 teaspoon, ginger about 1/2 teaspoon, chopped onion about 1/3 cup and coriander leaves or cilantro about 1/8 cup, 3 chopped chilies. Mash the eggs with the vegetable masher. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, nigella seeds 1/2 teaspoon, cumin 1/2 teaspoon, carom seeds 1/2 teaspoon, besan about a 1/2 cup and baking powder about a pinch. Mix them well. Add water little at a time to create a mixture. Add besan if required. Instead of besan, we can use all-purpose flour, corn flour or any other binding material. Taste it. Add whatever is required. I've added about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 3 chopped chilies. Mix them well. To fry the pakoras, heat about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. When the oil is very hot, take little portion of the mixture with spoon or hand and put into the hot oil. Fry pakoras at one time, as many as the pan can accommodate. Maintain space between the pakoras and do not overcrowd. Put the mixtures in the high heat, then fry the pakoras in medium heat. This will give enough time for the pakoras to cook from both inside and outside. When golden brown, strain the oil with the straining spatula and put them on a tissue paper so that excess oil is absorbed. Repeat the process with the rest of the mixture. Serve hot with salad or chaat masala or rock salt or beet noon or sauce. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.